Hi, I'm Tom, Project Engineer at Calder. This is a high pressure hydroblast pump unit. It is designed, built and tested by Calder here in Worcester in the heart of the United Kingdom. These easy to use controls allow the operator to start and stop the unit, and they provide engine and pump monitoring functions. The integral fuel tank ensures a low centre of gravity and the fuel fill point is easily accessible. It is powered by a diesel engine. This is a reliable power unit and spare parts are easily purchased locally. Direct drive through the flexible coupling means there are no belts and no side loads, and it requires no clutch, which reduces maintenance requirements. We fit high quality rugged running gear. This can be removed to convert the unit to a skid. The unit has 4 lifting points and the skid also has forklift pockets for easy manoeuvrability. There is a spark arrestor fitted as standard. Down here we have a stainless steel water tank. The tank features a ball valve to maintain water level and a low level shutdown. This feeds the boost pump, which eliminates cavitation and guarantees inlet water feed pressure. The pump is known throughout industry for its quality, reliability and low life cycle costs. Everything is easily accessed, and this design has no high pressure plunger packings, which minimises the pump maintenance. Performance conversion kits are available to allow each pump to be converted to operate at 10, 15, 20 or 40k. These kits are easily fitted and they maximise the potential of the unit by altering the operating pressure to suit varying applications. The inlet water filter protects the pump from damage due to dirt and particles from the feed water supply. Pressure control is through this bypass regulator control valve, which allows small bore flexible lances to be used for cleaning heat exchanger tubes. We have a large stock holding of spare parts at our base in Saudi Arabia. Our service department offers maintenance and service packages to suit your individual requirements, from basic ad hoc service visits to full maintenance packages. And our team are always on hand to offer advice and support, just a phone call away. Training is offered for machine familiarity, operational safety and maintenance. We offer a complete range of PPE products to keep the operator safe. We stock and supply all the accessories you will need: nozzles, lances, tank cleaning heads, floor cleaners, tube cleaners, surface prep devices, pipe and sewer cleaning equipment, hoses and automated hydroblast solutions, and much more.